About this item value package, include 8300i and extra 1 slide holder kits, 2 slide holder inside, newly launched OpticFilm 8300i equipped with new generation of chip, which is capable of scan films up to 7200 dpi but also increased by 38% scan speed compared to the last model. The bundled software Silverfast 9 included over 100 functions that have additional improvement. The mechanism and powerful software make Plustek OpticFilm 8300i becomes the best film digitize equipment. Advanced IT8 targets included OpticFilm 8300i bundled with 3 slide of 35mm calibration target, $99. This advanced standard IT8 target, ISO 12641-2 compliant 2019. Gives more measuring point to ensure less interpolation while performing scanner color calibration. Dual professional software included the 8300i bundled with world's digital imaging software Silverfast 9 AI Studio. And Plustek Quick Scan Plus, easier to digitize and archive of your own slide and films with well-designed hardware feature and advanced image processing support. Windows 7/8/10/11 and Mac OS 10.13/12.x USB flash drive included. User can easily install and start using it without optical disk drive. Plustek also provided US-based expert services via phone or online support. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item value package, include 8300i and extra 1 slide